Hare Krishna. Hi everyone, welcome.
In this video, we are going to implement a Java program to find the duplicate elements in an array using HashSet. Let us take an example of array having the element 521635. 5 is duplicated in array. Let us practically implement this program using HashSet. First, declare and initialize an array. Int array is equal to initialize with values 521635. Create an object of a HashSet and we pass integer as generics, as we are passing only integer values into HashSet, as all the elements present in array ARR is integer type. We name that HashSet as HSet. Now let us add a main logic which identifies duplicate elements in a HashSet. For that we need a for loop. For int I is equal to 0, I less than array.length I plus plus. Finally, add a if condition where we'll take each element from the array using array index I and add it to the HashSet using inbuilt method add. If HashSet.add array of I is equal to false, add method's return type is boolean that returns as true if that element is added to HashSet. If element is not added to the HashSet, and it will return it as false. HashSet by design doesn't accept the duplicate values. Whenever we try to add a duplicate value to the HashSet, it will not be added to the HashSet and it will return it as false. So we just need to check the condition. Whenever we add each element from the array to the HashSet and return type is false, then we can directly print saying that that element, the value present in that array index is duplicated in array. Let us run the program. 5 is duplicated in array. Program is working fine, so far so good. Let us debug the program. Program control reached at line number 10. I is having the value 0. Value at array index 0 is 5. First time HashSet is empty. HashSet.add 5. The 5 will be added to the HashSet. I is incremented by 1. Value at index 1 is 2. HashSet initially having the value 5. 2 will be added to the HashSet. I is incremented by 1. Value at index 2 is 1. Now 1 will be added to the HashSet. I is incremented by 1 again. The value at index 3 is 6. 6 is not already present in HashSet. 6 will be added to the HashSet. In all those iterations, if condition is not satisfied, so we don't print anything. I is directly getting incremented. I is having the value 4. Value at index 4 is 3. So HashSet is not having the value 3. So 3 will be added to the HashSet. Again this condition, if condition not satisfied, we don't print anything. I is incremented by 1 again. I is having the value 5. Value at index 5 is 5. HashSet is already having the value 5. So 5 will not be added to the HashSet. Add method returns a boolean value false. As the condition is satisfied, if condition is satisfied, we print that saying the 5 is duplicated in array.
Let's add few more elements to the array. Rerun the program. 2 is duplicated in array. Add one more element 6. Rerun the program. Output is showing that 6 is also duplicated in array. Let us add one more element 5. Now 5 is duplicated 3 times in this array. Output shows that 5 to 6 is duplicated in array, but the 5 is printed multiple times in the output. To have the proper solution for finding the duplicate elements in array, let's use a HashMap. First we'll add a print statement so that we can differentiate the output printed in the console by using the HashMap and using the HashSet. First we'll create an object of HashMap, map string, integer. Object of HashMap, we name it as HM. New HashMap of string.integer as a generics. We'll use an as for loop for int a colon array. Each and every element in array we store it into variable A. First we'll check whether element A is already present in a hash map. hm.get of A, hm.get of A, and we store it into variable count. We check whether count is equal to null. Then hash map doesn't have that duplicate value. We add that element into the hash map with a count as 1. Let's change the generics to integer and integer, because we're using an integer array here, both key and values having the integer value. Else hm.put a comma plus plus count. If hashmap already contains the value present in A, then we update the count of that value in the hash map. Finally, we print the content of HashMap to the output using entry set for map.entry integer entry hm.entry set. We check the condition. We add a if statement to check the condition. Entry.getValue is greater than 1. That means if that element is having the count greater than 1, then we can consider that element as a duplicate element, and we print it using a system.out.println. We use entry.getKey to print the elements of an array, and get value we can use to get the count of element of an array. Let's run the program. We can see that 5 is printed 2 times when we use the HashSet, but when we are using HashMap, 5 is printed only 1 time as a duplicate element. So totally 3 duplicate elements in an array, that is 2, 5 and 6.
Thanks for watching.